1 comes before 2, A comes before B, and a clear and focused message comes before PowerPoint slides. Yes, you need a clear and focused message before making PowerPoint slides, and you do it with a presentation pyramid. There's just 3 parts to your presentation pyramid. Right at the top is the most important part, the purpose statement. This is your intention for the presentation, the aim, the goal, the target, what you want to achieve. It's all of that. The second part of your presentation pyramid is a list of 3 main points to support your purpose statement. This is the foundation, your core, your pillars. And finally, the third part of your presentation pyramid has the supporting points for each of your 3 main points. These are the roots to your pyramid that contain all the little details that make your audience go wow with delight. Let's start with your purpose statement, okay? 2 parts to your purpose statement. Part 1 is to identify who you want to influence, and part 2 is to state what you want them to do. Here's a few examples. The purpose of my presentation is to influence my bosses so that they give me a big fat bonus and an extra week of leave next year. Or, the purpose of my presentation is to influence the decision makers in the room so that they approve the funds for my project to save the world. Or, the purpose of my presentation is to influence my team so that they work longer hours while I relax more. Get the picture? In part 1 of your purpose statement, it's always about who you want to influence. And then continue with part 2 by adding the words "so that" and state what you want them to do. That's how you write a purpose statement. The second part of your presentation pyramid is to list just the 3 main points to support your purpose statement. If you have more than 3 main points, stop and cut to 3. But what's the main point? It could be anything as long as it supports your purpose statement. So if your purpose statement is to get a big fat bonus, your 3 main points could be: number 1, how big a big bonus you'd like; number 2, why you deserve it; and number 3, why you'll cry if you don't get it. If your purpose statement is to get approval for funds to save the world, your 3 main points could be: number 1, how much you need; number 2, what will happen when you save the world; and number 3, why you'll cry if you don't get it. Simple, right? Finally, the third and last part of your presentation pyramid is to list 3 supporting points for each of your main points. These are the little details to add meat and muscle to each of your 3 main points. So that's it. How to design a super clear and beautiful message using a presentation pyramid. Dazzle your audience now. See you in the next chapter.